Environmental Management, Indocement Cement Factory. One industry that still cares about the sustainability of nature and human life is Indocement, a company that produces cement located in Bogor and Cirebon, West Java, and in Kota Baru, South Kalimantan. Indocement can become an example of how an industry should care, especially in the cement industry, to control the impact of production processes. Cement plants are known by some people as factories that produce dust pollution that can affect human health and pollute the natural environment. A factory environment which is barren, dirty and dusty as a general picture of a cement factory. Indocement gives us a different picture, who realizes the importance of the presence of trees around the factory, because the trees give us oxygen to breathe, save water for drinking and lower air temperature in hot conditions, and so on. Cement factories can turn out to be beautiful and clean if managed properly. But if more and more industries that destroy nature and do not care about life in the future, the beautiful land of golden faces, then in their twilight it will only be a fairy tale. And hot springs around the area of the factory. And springs around the area of the factory. Springs protection efforts when mining the limestone is not finished to rock bottom. Keeps the morphology of the surrounding water and socialization into the community to participate in preserving the spring. Reclamation conducted in accordance with the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources contained in Mine Exploitation Plan Book, a planting of crops or trees and making a lake or pond water in the mined area as settling ponds and water storage. In the future, to benefit the community. The use of water for the cement industry in Indocement is very efficient because it's only in the process of cooling machines or cooling production phase systems, and it's done by repeated cycles. The source of water is from large rivers, and the uptake is only to replace water that evaporates. Efficient water consumption in manufacturing through monitoring with water meters to determine the volume of uptake and to monitor the amount of usage so as not to exceed the permitted discharge. The use of groundwater from existing drilled wells is only for the purposes of bathing, washing and toilets, and with a relatively small number of employees, it will certainly not interfere with groundwater for surrounding communities. The presence of cement plants did not change the life of Indonesian society from an agrarian to industrial society, but both can help each other. Indocement is one of the cement factories that carefully control the dust generated through the production process by using a sophisticated dust catcher tool, which is an electrostatic precipitator. Dust from the materials in the production process can be captured and reprocessed so that almost no dust is released via the factory chimney. But occasionally very thin dust can be produced and not harmful to humans and does not pollute the natural environment. Furthermore, at each stage of the production process and with equipment that could produce dust, a dust catcher or dust collector is used to remove any dust, making it safe for humans and the environment. In principle, Indocement operates the cement factory units while maintaining safety limits or threshold limit value for dust, noise and vibration in accordance with government regulations. Potential of abundant natural resources, not only processed by the agricultural community as a fertile agricultural land, but also by industries, where it is the same people with the same aims to improve human welfare. Balance of nature, or developing it even better for the sustainable development of nature and the people. To ensure production process activities do not pollute the environment or affect human health, monitoring is conducted for dust and emissions from factory chimneys continuously and periodically by the internal laboratory or by an accredited external laboratory. All results of environmental monitoring and management are always routinely reported to the Ministry of Environment and local government, implementing reports on Environmental Management Plan and Environmental Monitoring Plan.